since the pandemic began at 66 persons, with 64 of those being Kenyans and two others being foreign nationals. We have also continued to see the rise across the counties, and therefore, arising from this situation, and in order to contain further spread of the virus, the National Emergency Response Committee on Coronavirus announces and directs as follows. A is an extension of the cessation of movement in and out of Eastleigh in Nairobi until Saturday, the 6th of June, 2020. B, an extension of the cessation of movement in and out of Old Town, Mombasa, until the 6th of June, 2020. In addition to that, the malls, the eateries, restaurants are supposed to remain closed and hawking prohibited until Saturday, the 6th of June, 2020. This, ladies and gentlemen, is essentially to keep the areas you contained so that in the next few days, we can finally bring some form of control towards those areas so that the disease does not continue spreading. And of course, you will have noted then that if we have 66 cases, the other unfortunate milestone is that we have now hit, Kenya has now hit a figure of over 1,000 positive cases to 1,029 cases. Mombasa continues to be the challenge, with 30 of those cases being in Mombasa and 26 of those cases being in Nairobi. Kajiado, because of the issues that have been there with the truck drivers, again, we have recorded 3 persons in Kajiado. So the Mombasa, as I said, that's why we have had to do the extension, but also the areas that are concerned continuously now would be Rikoni as well as Shangamwe. So ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you once again. Today is a busy day because of all the things that are happening in this presser, but I want you to bear with us because we need to get all these things done at the same time. We will extend further comments on these matters in tomorrow's presser. I thank you. So I want us to do the physical presentation, and then we can take a few questions if there are any. Shall we?